Today we're going to give you a run through on the Fuellox system. So to create a new user, just fill out the name, email, their mobile phone and the title if you like. Click the option to send that user an SMS. And there's also a verification checkbox, and now you can click create the user. That user receives an SMS, and here we have an Apple phone showing you the message that's just been received by the user. The next thing you need to do is to add some equipment. We've got some in the system already, but here you can see we're creating a new piece of equipment. Each machine can have a make, a model, an asset number if you wish. Fill out as much of the form as you're comfortable to fill out. Importantly, each machine needs a volume. This is the volume of the tank that you're going to fill. We can pop into the search and see that machine. Now I'll show you how you dispense fuel using the Fuellox app. Here we have Fuellox running on an Android phone. You open the app, you just click into the dispense menu. In this case, we're going to scan a QR code, and this is typical of what your users would need to do. In this case, the odometer is required, so we fill that out. Now we can connect to the Fuellox pump. Once it's connected, you'll get the start button and you can press start. The Fuellox system is now dispensing fuel. This pump can be stopped a number of ways. You can hang up the nozzle, you can press stop in the app. There could be a preset and various timers that monitor the system. But once it's completed, you get a little summary screen. One of the most interesting and powerful features of Fuellox is the reporting interface. From the home screen, just go into reports. This XI summary is a very powerful report. It's giving you all the fuel used in months or quarters for the various tax categories. In this demo account, we're seeing off-road, on-road and power gen. You don't have to report power gen separately, but you can if you need to. There's some other interesting reports, and we can see here the fuel usage by equipment. Now this is the 2024 report, and we've only got data here for January and February. But this report can be rendered for months, weeks or quarters. Reports can also be downloaded to Excel if you need them. The other thing that we have in Fuellox is the ability to measure tank levels. So here we're going to show you the levels interface. Firstly, you can see there's a table that renders, and this is the actual level percentage in these tanks. You can see that the date and time that the last data was recorded, and there's volume and ullage. Ullage being the amount of space in the tank. You can go in and render these as charts, and you can also see the level history over time. So you've made it to the end of this video, and what we've got for you is a special offer. Now this video is not publicly available on YouTube, so you won't be able to find this link elsewhere. We've got the Fuellox unit, a packet of QR codes, and an entry-level pulse meter. Now this is what we call our starter pack. And the offer that we have for you today is if you buy one starter pack, you'll have the option of a second. And in the second starter pack, the second Fuellox will be free. Now that's a saving of nearly $3,000. So if you'd like to take that offer, it's on the screen now. Just go to our store, put in this code at checkout, and you'll get the second Fuellox unit free of charge. Otherwise, give us a call and let's work something out for you. Thanks for watching.